Hi all, it's PJ and welcome to the preview for the December BabyLock and Bernina Serger Club. This month it's round 2 of the packing cubes. There are 2 different variations that you can use with the standard packing cube pattern from last month. This version has Basel inner foam so that the cube will stand up all by itself. This one is not stuffed, but the inner foam will allow it to stand up all on its own. See, empty. Same exact pattern. Construction is a little bit different, but the main bits are all identical to the standard packing cube. Version 2 has piping. This one will not stand up by itself because it's just fabric, just like the standard packing cube. I have this one stuffed with towels, but you can see here, this is just a single layer of fabric. So it will not stand up on its own, but it does have that added nice bit of piping in here. It gives it a very nice clean finish. Piping around the bottom as well. Again, construction almost identical to the standard packing cube. For the instructions this month, I'm just going to cover the differences to do either the inner form or the piping version. This will work on all of the sizes as well. This size does make for a really nice, just like little catch-all. Let's get started.